I appreciate NFCI for their immense hard work which they have put in preparing for this record, and congratulations to all the centers for registering themselves in India Book of Records and successfully creating this record. Yeah, so it's been a pleasure, visiting this center, and once I went through the and validated the entire record event, it was I could see the amount of effort put in by each center, and the way they have explained the entire event, each dishes was excellent. So congratulations to NFCI for registering themselves in India Book of Records. Very specific to this record, the guideline was to have 340 dishes. So we were expecting maybe 400, 500, but it was overwhelming to see that you guys attempted for 725 and got it. I have been part of many records when people attempt. I mean, first of all, they have to create the first benchmark wherein they register themselves in IBR, and then they obviously go for the top-notch benchmark. So it was unique in the sense that you attempted for 725 and you kind of did that, and honestly, the way entire thing was organized was quite professional.